Hey guys! My name's Olivia, also known as Jetlag Live, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is Halloween. Happy Halloween to everyone out there. So, trick or treat, I picked a treat. I'm going to be celebrating by getting myself a little treat today and opening it up as a surprise on camera. And that is going to be the fall Target beauty box. And I got this box. Actually, my mom ordered it for me. So I have no idea what's in here. So I figured I'd do a reveal and just have some fun, okay? I've been going through a little bit of a rough patch. So I'm back on YouTube, ready to open my Target beauty box, which also is a surprise to me, and I'm very excited to do that. If you didn't see my previous one, I ordered 2 random Target beauty boxes and opened them up on camera. I will link that somewhere up here and you can check that out. But let's get into this beautiful Target beauty box. Okay, so as you can see, there's really cute fall decor, like some flowers, leaves, and some acorns. So love that. Let's open her up. Okay. Wow, smells good. Smells really good. Okay, so got that off. Let's see. First time checking this out. Ready? You guys can see first. I'll look away. Is it good? Oh, you can't see. Can't see anything. Okay. Your autumn it kit. How cute is that? Change is good. And for us, the start of a new season means it's time to revamp our collection with beauty go-tos that'll leave us feeling great and looking even better. Now, before I even go into this, I know that they always pack travel size items in here, which are perfect if you're on the go, like me. Hello, on brand, Jetlag Live. They're perfect small items for you to throw in your suitcase or throw in your bag and get on your way to having fun, which is why I love these. But anyway, let's do this. So let's see here. To help you fall into autumn on the right foot, we rounded up the IT products we keep in our kit at all times so you can too. Love that, thank you. I'm acting like Target sent it to me when literally it's purchased. It's my own money. Okay, wow. Look at all these goodies. Oh my gosh, okay. So what do we have? Head and Shoulders Royal Oils Moisture Boost Shampoo with coconut oil. Okay. And the conditioner. You see what I mean, guys? Like, these are the perfect size. Like, 3.0 fluid ounce is perfect for TSA. Crest 3D White Brilliance. You know I need this if you saw me trying every single coffee drink at Starbucks. Yeah, I need it. All right, what else do we have? Extremely Dry Skin Rescue Healing Moisture Lotion, Vaseline. Can you see that? Focus, awesome. Okay, we also have Lumeni, a Finland product. Wow. Intense Hydration 24-hour moisturizer. Wow, the packaging is really cool too. Check that out. For all skin types, that's really cool. Cool. They have Ardell lashes. Foam ink lashes. Okay, alone, I think these are like $7.99. Oh my God. Oh my God. My birthday is in 2 days, by the way, November 2nd. I'm gonna be wearing these and I cannot wait. Look at that. Oh my God. I did not know that was gonna be in here. Okay. We've also got a number 7 Laboratories Line Correcting Booster Serum. You know I'm not about to get Botox, so this would be perfect for my forehead lines. And I think this is this cannot be this. Oh my God. These are, it's got color in it. These are little packets of the like semi-permanent, or maybe it's just one day. Perfect for Halloween. Hello, happy Halloween. Colorista hair makeup for tips and strands. So this one's for the brunettes and black hair, me. So I could just put it on my ends right there. I'm doing this. I'm doing this today. I don't know what kind of Halloween costume I can do, but this is it. And then for blonde, but I'm not blonde, so I will give this to my best friend. She's blonde. Oh my God, that's so cool. It tells you how to use it, and then you just put it in your hair, and that is such a cool sample to get. Wow, I love that. That's so cool. All right, guys, I know I flew through that, but I'm high-key excited about this. Like, I love these boxes, and making them a surprise is even that much more exciting. It's like almost like a beauty subscription. Well, it's not. It's almost like one in the sense that you like get a surprise box if you have somebody else buy it for you. But this was I think it's my favorite box yet. I've used up like almost every single thing in my other boxes. What can I say? I love it. I really do. It's so cool. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy me going through a random box, then I'm happy to have you here. If you don't, that's okay, because we're always doing crazy things on this channel. Travel tips, tricks, experiences, everything right here on Jetlag Live. So make sure you subscribe. Why wouldn't you? Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and ring the notification bell so you know when I am going to post a video, because who knows what it's gonna be about. You never know on this channel. But hey, thank you for being here. I really appreciate you guys. Happy Halloween, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.